Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Figma login issues, team and permission errors step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection and try opening Figma in a private or incognito browser window. Make sure you are signing in with the correct method, such as Google, SSO, Apple, or email, matching the account you actually use. Verify you are on the correct Figma domain and region by typing figma.com directly instead of using an old bookmark. Clear your browser cache and cookies for figma.com, then fully close and reopen the browser. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers, then try logging in again. If you are using the Figma desktop app, sign out, quit the app completely, and relaunch it before signing in. Update your browser or the Figma desktop app to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. Check whether Figma is experiencing an outage by visiting the official status page and confirming service availability. After logging in, confirm you are in the right workspace by clicking the workspace switcher in the top left area. If you see you don't have access, ask your admin to confirm you are invited to the correct team, not just the organization. Search your email for the invitation and open it on the same account you used to sign in to Figma. If the invite link says it is expired, request a new invitation from the team admin. Ask the admin to verify your role, such as viewer, viewer restricted, editor, or admin, matches what you need to do. If you need edit access, ensure your seat type is correct and that an editor seat is available for your account. If you are in an organization, ask the admin to check organization settings that restrict member creation or team joining. Confirm the admin has not enabled domain-only access rules that block non-company emails from joining. If you are using SSO, confirm your company identity provider account is active and that you can log in there successfully. Ask your IT or admin to check SCIM provisioning status if your account should be auto-created or auto-assigned to teams. If you belong to multiple accounts, open Figma settings and confirm the email and profile match the invited identity. Try switching accounts by signing out fully, then signing in again using the exact invited email address. If you get stuck in a login loop, remove saved passwords for figma.com and try again with manual entry. If you are behind a VPN or corporate proxy, turn the VPN off temporarily or try a different network to test access. If your company requires the VPN, ask IT to allow list Figma domains and ensure WebSockets are not blocked. If you can access files by link but not the team, ask the admin to share the project or team explicitly to your account. Open the team page and check whether you are in guests and request to be converted to a member if needed. If you see permission errors on specific files, ask the file owner to change sharing from only invited to the correct level. Check if your account is on an unpaid plan with limited editor access, and ask the admin to upgrade or adjust seats. As a final step, contact Figma support with screenshots, your account email, team URL, and the exact error message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.